Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to select multiple elements at once on Canva. So to select multiple elements is very useful where you want to uh, set the or move the same elements at once. So if you move it one by one, it will take a long time and it will also make the design unproportional, and you need to move the elements at once, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first you can just long press on certain elements, and then here at the pop-up option at the bottom, you'll see there is select multiple. Just click on that, and then after that just click on the other elements that you want to move. For example, this one's right here, and then this title right here, and after that you can just do what you want to do. You can move it, or you can also resize it like this, and after that you can just move it to the center, so you don't need to do it one by one. So I'm going to show you how to do that again. For example, I want to move this, so what you guys can do is long press on the elements and then click on select multiple, and click on the other elements, and after that just move it like so, and you can also resize it like this. Okay guys, so that's the easiest tutorial on how you can select multiple elements on Canva. If you get any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.